today's not gonna be much of a day because I'm relaxing, but today we're gonna go buy a game. Then we're gonna go put on that piece we watched last video. I got that piece in, we're definitely gonna put that on and go buy some clear coat so we can go ahead and fix this again because I ran out of clear coat to fix this. Obviously, this is sun damage and you got the heat coming from the motor, so I've resigned to the fact that I'm gonna have to re-clear this occasionally. It holds up for a little while, then clear coat starts to appear due to all the heat, etc. No big deal. You guys have seen me do it 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna go buy some clear coat and I think about it. It's right there by the game store, as well as put that piece on today. That cap, I'm so excited for that cap. Let's complete the look, But yeah, let's go ahead up to GameStop. Let's go pick up this new game for sure. GameStop. Let's get this game, and then we're gonna go right over there to Home Depot and get some clear coat. Let's talk to a really awesome chick that wants to get into the car scene, so give some good information. Hopefully she comes out that port night, but to find out. Alright, so we're going, like I got it, heck yeah. That's what I got. There's a freaking Type R down there. Wow, that's the first FO555 I've seen here. Okay. Alright, down Home Depot. Clear. Can't really talk, there's a lot of people in there. I'll go get some car wash running because hopefully my other passing products I ordered come in so I can be up on that stuff. They got some new vinyl plastic cleaner. I want to try that out. I need to be up on my Dust Pro, which is amazing on colored wheels. So see that, get some money from car wash, and then gas. Go ahead and get to installing that part easily and move it on. And then we're gonna have to tackle this clip part and get this ready for the car show. This is what's in the deluxe edition for those of y'all. It's the game, I guess the music CD, some art, and a metal case, kind of like I have the FS16 Deluxe up there. But yeah, I'm going to install the game right now. While the game's installing, we can go ahead and take apart that strut bar and put the cap on. I'll show you guys the cap. Let me show you guys the cap. All over the place back outside. I'm going to go ahead and install that part right there. Go ahead and install it in my car. I do need to take off the strut bar for it. Not really that hard of an install. A little bit time consuming. Most of you won't have a strut bar, so it won't be a big deal if we just pop it off and pop it back on. Again, you guys saw earlier I bought clear coat. We'll fix that later. Probably not today because the sun's going down. But we'll fix that for car shows. And so this is going to pop the hood and let's go take off the strut bar. Let's see how it won't have a strut bar obviously to deal with. I have to remove the top portion right there and loosen the bolts. Go ahead and probably take this bar so I can get to this top right here. It's kind of tight. We're going to see how we're going to make this work without having to cut the top. I mean, I suppose I don't need the top of the top right here. I could always cut the whole top if I had to. I just need the bottom portion to screw down, but we'll see. I need to get this loose, get this off, so I can take the top off, then I can take a look and we can go from there. And yeah, a lot of the work needs to modify in your car. What's this part where they came out prior to doing some of this stuff, but you know, that's the way it is sometimes. Alright, let's continue. Alright, here's the new clutch cap right here, guys. Sorry, it's nighttime, get the other one off. This is gonna be a bitch to get in. Basically, you have set screws right here. Set the screws into the side of this. Host the cap on top of this, and you put the cap on. The way I had to do it, I had to pull the bar up in order to get to, you can kind of see right there. I had to pull the bar up I got two of the screws out, one screw way back there, it's just not having it. So I was able to wiggle it to get enough leeway to lift it up again. Most of you guys won't have a strut bar, so you don't have to worry about it. So we're going to have to try to put this cap on, wiggle it back underneath there, and screw it in. So I really can't really record this because I'm going to need both hands. We're just going to see if I can't get it to go at first. I should do this with more daylight, but I was kind of tired, did a lot of stuff, as you saw earlier. So let me try to finagle and play this thing, see if I can get it on again. This is simple. Put the set screws on top of that, screw it down, you're done. But again, because my car has to be modified, that has a strut bar right there, ultra tight. It's going to take me a second, so let's get this cut open. Again, it's the clutch cap, the new clutch cap that they got. It should fit this smaller one. Also, I gotta make sure this fits on top of that. Okay, you guys can see I got one side. It's gonna be hard to zoom in on it. But that's the set screw right there. Again, sorry about that, it's hard right there. Use your Allen wrench, screw it to two holes. You can see one hole on that side right there. Now I get the the cap held tight on top of this. That doesn't wiggle. Make sure you get ultra tight so it doesn't fly off, obviously, during normal operation. Then just screw it down and install. Of course, what's my dumb ass do? Drop the fucking screw. Do this really has some white on the inside so you don't drop the screw and lose it. Although it is over tight to one side, of course. But trying to do it in light. Again, I'm doing it outside, late at night. Not the best time to be installing parts. I need to go get my headlamp. But this time, we'll sit down, screw it in, so you get both sides screwed in, and then let's install this. Christ, jeez. Got my headlamp on, you can see, bam, it's installed. I had to clean it up, all I did was lift it, now I'm gonna put these screws back in, get all this shit back together. Clean the titanium, obviously, because you're touching it. Use a JVC titanium cleaner. One thing I might want to do is maybe turn it so you don't see the holes. That's being a little anal. But that's me. Like that, then you don't see the hose. The cap's obviously not going to go nowhere because this metal bar is going to stop it. So if you're wondering, does it fit underneath it? Yes, it does. Barely, but it fits. Alright, cool. Alright, there we go. Caps installed. Again, if you don't have any strut bar, etc., right there, be a simple install because they'll be covering it up. Now I have everything matching. Alright, let's put everything back together. I'll put the cap on. You can see what the engine bay looks like now. Okay, now I got everything together. I went ahead and added the top, as you can see, added the thing back. So that's what it's gonna look like now. So shit, hell yeah, we're getting there. I think I might be pretty much done with stuff underneath it. Obviously, this hose will be clear. I change that hose out whenever we get the oil change. Just do for oil change, it'll be a clear hose. But that gives you an idea of what the bay looks like now. Freaking crazy. It is nighttime, but it still looks good. That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm so happy. Finally got that shit matching. Now we got matching shit. Everything's matching now. Trying to think of anything else I could do besides making this upper hose in titanium if I wanted to. We'll see about that. The fact that I just even have one made, you guys watch that video, it's freaking awesome. So, oh yeah, this piece right here, we gotta get this piece in neochrome. As soon as Weaponara finds, makes another batch, because they had one, a demo one, but they couldn't find it, so they should be making a new batch of neochrome titanium parts, which I will get that neochrome and replace that with neochrome for sure. So it matches all the other neochrome titanium parts in the engine bay. I got my box from Patterson's Car Care. So let's go grab that box for my locker storage. I'll show you what I got. I went back inside. Here's my package I got from Patterson's Car Care. Show you what I got. Oh, it gives you like extra nozzles, extra stuff. Nozzles. Okay, there you guys. And here's what I got. This is a perfect glass cleaner right here. Got this because, you know, it's hard to find cleaner that actually cleans glass and doesn't leave streaks. He says this doesn't leave streaks. So we're going to test out. We're going to try it. We're going to see if it actually does or it doesn't. Obviously, you always need to clean your glass. Then you got another nozzle. Let's see. have, I guess I got a new version of it. Got this right here. This is going to be our special sauce. So this is all-purpose cleaner. This is supposed to clean the vinyls and plastics, etc. I want to try it, see its formula, see if it actually does work. It actually does, as you can see, protect shines, rubber, plastics, and vinyl. So I'm going to clean the interior of the car with this. The new interior cleaner. We'll see this actually works. It actually cleans up. We have my favorite right here, what I've been waiting for, the best product. We have obviously Pastor's Car Care, extra bottle. He always gives you an extra bottle, which is awesome. So extra clean bottle, the rest is done. Put that down. And there we go, my favorite right here. The Brake Dust Pro. This is what we use to clean the wheels. I mean, spray on and off. Obviously, I buy the biggest one that he offers. Does last a while, depending on how much you spray on. But yeah, that's what we got, guys. So I'm going to try the glass cleaner to clean the glass. This is for like interior rubbers and plastics. We're going to see how it shines. We're supposed to get things really, really shiny. We'll see. Again, I had great success with this Brake Dust Pro for sure. This stuff is amazing right here on wheels. And so we'll fill up my bottle back up. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm not going to wash the car. But once the rain passes through, and definitely get all cleaned up again. And yeah, I know the previous clip I did put the cap in. It was nighttime, so go back out there, show what the cap looks like. It's all done. Probably go ahead and add some oil to the motor, and we'll call this a video. For now, we do again have some upcoming stuff going on, and as things transpire, heading towards hot import nights, we'll see if we can't get the hot import nights. But definitely some things we need to do to the car before we go to the car show. We'll see if we'll have enough time to get certain things done. But we'll see. Let me go out and head out and show you guys what it looks like in the daytime, and we'll wrap this up. Alright, hey guys, go to the lighthouse. That's what it looks like completed. Step back and get a whole shot of the engine bay. Now, not much left to do. Only thing left, like I said, is just right here. As soon as I on makes a Neo Chrome one, which they do have one, they can do a batch, but I'm gonna buy it, swap that one out. Or if they find the one they had on display, been trying to find this thing for months, I'll put it out. But again, gonna wait till sun went down a little bit, but you guys can see it. That's what the engine bay looks like now. That piece is awesome. That piece kind of completes everything, so we're good to go here. So next up, like I said, we gotta do the rear suspension, swap out the springs and shocks, and as well as two new tires, oil change. Had to check the oil was good. Oil change, change out that hose for sure. So maybe within the next 2 weeks we'll knock that out, and then we'll start to get ready for hot import nights prep as well. I need to contact up now and see if they made a batch of this or they've ever found it. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But alright guys, short video, notes all over the place, about to get on this Final Fantasy game, etc. Hope you guys learned something. Again, baby mods, man. Add on the small stuff together, it becomes something greater. So again, you guys have any questions, post them down below. Any comments, post them down below. See you guys next video. I'm out. I'm gonna go order some food and play this game. By the way, I had that new KFC pizza chicken thing. That thing is pretty freaking good, actually. So if you guys haven't checked that out, you hit to that before they limited time release. But see you guys next video. I'm out. Peace.